Okay friends, so in this video we'll do compounding and try to increase our $1.23 into a huge amount of money. Okay, so watch this video very carefully because it is going to be extremely helpful for you. So today what happened, one of my VIP Telegram subscriber messaged me, okay, who regularly copies my trade, okay, by using this social trading feature of pocket option, and he told me he have noticed a pattern while using parabolic SAR indicator. So I told him what pattern he have been noticing, and he explained it to me, and I thought to give it a try, okay, and it was really successful. Okay, so I decided to make this compounding video because I'm pretty sure I'm easily going to increase this $1.23 into some huge amount of money, okay, by using that exact strategy. And I'm going to explain you and then exactly show you by making trades. So firstly, what you need to do is you just make all of these currency pair that has 92% payout favorite, okay, by clicking on here, okay, and put it all at here, and then select this candlestick as 30, okay. That means all of these candlestick are forming in 30-second time frame. Similarly, make this clock, select this as 30, okay, and then make this flag again and click on here and click on plus as 30. Once you do this much, then put the amount that you want to invest, and then just implement this parabolic SAR indicator by clicking on here, okay, and you can see parabolic SAR is here. Just click on it and it will be implemented in your chart. So now once you have done all of these things, then my strategy to trade with parabolic SAR is extremely simple, okay. So for example, whenever this second dot is forming above these candles, okay, then we make trade by clicking on lower, and whenever this parabolic SAR, this second dot is forming below the candles, then we make trade by clicking on higher, okay. This was my simple strategy, and this is also a strategy that I use in my VIP copy trading channel, where other VIP members copy my trade, okay, and I use this exact strategy to make trades, okay, and we are pretty profitable. So, and one VIP member messaged me and he just noticed one thing. So he told me, okay, so whenever this, let's say this parabolic SAR is forming below these candles, and whenever this first or second parabolic is forming, okay, and no matter where the market is going, okay, if it is going at up, then he make trade by clicking on lower, and if it is going down, he made trade by clicking on higher, okay, in opposite direction, wherever the market, sorry, wherever the candle is going at that time. And he made lots of profitable trades. So I also have tried that and it is working, okay, at the current moment. Similarly, if this parabolic SAR is forming above these candles, okay, and whenever this first or second dot is forming, at that time, wherever this candle is going at this point exactly, make trade by clicking on opposite, okay. Like if it is going so like let's say if it is going up, okay, then anywhere at here, make trade by clicking on lower. I'll explain, sorry, this is simple explanation, okay. Now I'll exactly make trades and show you. So watch this video very carefully. So here you can see two dots are forming and market is trying to fall down, so we make trade by clicking on higher because this candle is falling down, okay. Now let's see what happens in this trade. So like we have very few seconds remaining, okay, 7 seconds. And seems like we made a profit at here, okay. So now we'll invest $2.36. So now as you can see, one dot have formed. Now let's second dot form, okay, and if this goes again more above, then we make trade by clicking on lower. So let it go above, more above, okay. Let's make trade from here. We could have waited and made trade from here also, but that's fine. Let's see what happens in this trade. Seems like we are going to make profit in this trade too. So now we'll invest $4.53. So here you can see there is one dot, so we'll wait for second dot, okay, and wherever the market goes, we'll make trade on the opposite direction. So let's wait where this market will go. It is trying to go above, so let it go more above. So let it go more. So we'll make trade, okay, and let's see what happens in this trade. Okay, so we made loss in this trade, but that's the beauty of any strategy that you use. Sometimes it fails, okay, and by compounding you are only taking risk of $1, okay, so you don't need to worry that much. But as you can see, we made 2 trades right in a row, okay. Now unexpectedly we got wrong, so now what I will do is I will make investment of $10 per trade and use this exact strategy to make trade, okay, and see how much trade I'm going to make right, okay, by investing $10 per trade. Now I'll keep quiet and show you that video.